Happy birthday, Ate Beth. Happy birthday, Ate Beth. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sana helwa ya Jamil, Ate Beth. Sana helwa ya Jamil, Ate Beth. Sana helwa, sana helwa, sana helwa ya Jamil, Ate Beth. Happy birthday, Ate Beth. Ayun, birthday ni Ate Beth. At ngayon ay alas 12 na ng benching ko ng madaling araw at kami ay nasa labas pa. Kami ay nagko-coffee na, tapos na kami mag-dinner. Coffee time na. Mga ano po kami, mga ano tawag doon? Mga tawag doon? Yung aswa, yung manananggal po kami. Ayun lang guys. Happy birthday Ate Beth. Sinalubong namin ang kanyang birthday.